That I'm stamped. And when them situations came, I came out like a champ. When it was pouring down raining, I came out of a damp. But now it's champagne showers when we poppin' the champ. We the dollar fast and they traps. Niggas can't be us cause they rats. Stand tall.
Another video, MS family, you know what time it is. And today it's gonna be a C100PRO bike check. So yeah, let's get to it. Obviously, you're gonna see the bike check as well. At the end of the video, you're gonna see a nice edit of me just cutting up on the street right here. Obviously, just mashing up the strip. This strip is, I'll rate this strip out of like 7 out of 10. Not really my strip to probably like come down. But obviously, you know I'm gonna fuck up the street, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna get into the C100PRO bike check. Then I'm gonna mash up the street. Maybe try to get a little edit. Let's get to it. So I'm gonna start from the rear end. Yeah. As you can see, I've got not fresh, but still see. Max's tires, stock worms. On the screen right now. Next is Hope C clamp. You can get them for like. Right now, if I do get the prices wrong, yeah. Obviously, you can't see from there. If you come here, you can see like the Hope top cap right here, and then the Hope top cap bolt as well. Got the red spacers, they're probably about like £3-4. Yeah. Got this little red rubber thing, probably like £1.50. All gonna be on the screen right now. For you guys to go and purchase. Right now I've got SLX brake, as you can see right here. Yeah, nice, fine, sharp SLX brake. Better than XT. Yeah, I really think you should get it because it's one of the best brakes out there, you know what I'm saying? Got Rental fat bars. I got the light ones because now I have to pick that wheel up fella. So I did the light ones. So it's more easier for me to like pick it up. As well as that, I've got death grips. I'm getting new ones because as you can see, these ones are worn out and probably dusty or rusty. So on the screen right now, I'm going to show you which grips I'm actually getting right. Now, yeah, so I'm gonna get them grips, them red and black grips. They're like £16, £17. So you might as well get them in it. You look nice on your bike. So when you go on ride outs, people say, "Oh, where'd you get them from?" eBay. Best place to buy. You know what I mean? 2-day delivery, next day delivery, Amazon. You know what I mean? Get right there. You know what I mean? And then most of the parts on here are stock. Also, you got the RockShox Solo Air. Take this part here. If you come closer. Solo Air. I only found this out at Bike Storms, but yeah, you can pump them up, not with the normal pump. You need a Fox pump. Yeah, pump them up, and yeah, you can get more air in them, stuff like that. I didn't know that. Some guy at Bike Storms told me. So, yeah. Oh wait, I'm having problems with this. What do you want to say? Wait, just don't know what happened there, but Solo Air, so you can pump them up with your like. Normal pump, probably. Go to a bike shop, they'll do it for you, pump up, you know what I'm saying? Only cost you £3. So I've got the normal collective stem. I am gonna change it to a Hope stem, red Hope stem, most likely, just because Hope stem I think is shorter, or Rental stem. I don't know, but I'll put it on the screen right now. Hope and Rental stem. Yeah. I got normal shifter, Shimano dual shifter. Yeah, the forks come with a bike. C100, keep it 100, you know what I'm saying? Out there, back there, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's the last part. It's worth 109 quid. Put on the screen right now. And yeah, guys, got grip tape, but that's from Amazon, which is like £10. You guys probably know that you got grip tape and stuff like that. And yeah. That's about it. This is my C100PRO, and yeah, I'm gonna get slow-mos of like cinematics on my bike, And yeah, I'm gonna match some work on this strip right here. So yeah, let's get to it. Obviously, one-way Corey pedals, collector pedals. Yeah, they're on the market as well. I think they're like £30, £29, something like that. If I get the prices wrong, guys, I will put them on the screen because I don't know what the prices are for these. Obviously, I've collective frame and a nice collective, you know, C100PRO frame, and they're very nice. I recommend you get. Obviously, I've got the camera collective seat. I'm gonna change it for a little Harry seat soon. I'm not sure when, but probably gonna be at the end of this month or probably soon. So I'll put that on the screen right now. Little Harry seat or this collective seat. And yeah, going to the back rear end, I have got a red disc that my friend painted. I'm gonna be doing adjustments to it, like putting white writing on it, like putting like my name on it and stuff like that. Just because, you know, I'm probably gonna start doing that now. Like if you guys need your discs like customized, like sprayed, or like putting like writing on it, like stuff like that, then go and holler at me. You know, my Instagram is aside.shipley. It's gonna be on the screen right now. And then I'll tag my guys Lenny on the screen right now. Yeah, holler at me or him because yeah, he's the one that sprays it and stuff like that. It's probably, if you come closer, like the disc is proper like nice and fine. Like look at that red disc, just matches with the bike and the tires and yeah. And yeah, I'm gonna put like white writing on it. It's gonna look nice. Obviously, DM me on Instagram if you want to get that done. And going to like the back end, I have got a new back rim that I'll show you right now. It's called Chosen, as you can see in the middle there. Chosen. This rim was about, I think it was £110 or £109, free next day delivery. And yeah, cheap rim. You have to go for Hope, that's like 200 and something pound. You can just go for one of these rims, which is £109, £110, round it up. Yeah, and obviously I'll show you how loud the back wheel is right now. Pretty loud.
RSK, let it play, boy.
right on the screen right now. My Instagram is going to be right on the screen right now. TikTok is going to be on the screen right now as well. Make sure you go and follow up my TikTok. I'm posting there daily videos that are funny and just good content overall. Do dances as well, so you might want to go and check that out. And yeah, keep on subscribing, keep on helping your boy out. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. It's probably going to be a one-lap in Langley, either Maidenhead or Tapley. So let's get to it. See you.